Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use almond and vitamin E body lotion. This powerful combination offers incredible benefits for your skin, making it feel soft and look radiant. Almond oil is fantastic for deep hydration, while vitamin E provides antioxidant protection, helping to keep your skin healthy and youthful. Together, they work to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines, giving you a smoother, more supple complexion. For optimal results, always apply your almond and vitamin E lotion to clean, slightly damp skin, ideally after a shower or bath. This helps lock in moisture more effectively. Start with a small amount, about a quarter-sized dollop for each major body section, like your arms or legs. Gently massage the lotion into your skin using upward, circular motions until it is completely absorbed. This technique ensures even coverage and stimulates circulation. To truly maximize the benefits, make applying your lotion a daily ritual. The best time is right after showering or bathing when your skin is most receptive. Don't forget to give extra attention to notoriously dry areas such as your elbows, knees, and heels, reapplying as needed throughout the day. Consistent daily use is key to achieving and maintaining soft, healthy, and glowing skin, ensuring you see the most noticeable improvements over time. To ensure your almond and vitamin E lotion remains effective, store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Always check the expiration date on the packaging. Using expired products can reduce their potency and may not be safe for your skin. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving your lotion's quality. And hey, while you're thinking about self-care, check out the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.